Hello. I think I may have found a bug on Jin where if you take Hail of Blades, it seems that sometimes the fourth shot actually does less damage than a normal auto attack or a normal crit. I'm honestly not sure exactly what causes it, but I'll see if I can replicate it here. I've got 100% crit, this is the build. So if I just auto attack this, Hail of Blades is active, I wait a second, and the crit does less damage. Now, of course, I know Hail of Blades is giving me AD while it's active, but the amount it drops should not justify that much of a damage drop. Like, if I just do 1500 damage, of course it's got low health, so if I just try to replicate it here, so that should be doing like 800 damage on the last shot. But with Hail of Blades, if I wait just a second, it does like normal crit damage. I'm not sure why it's doing that, because if I just sit here and auto attack, see now, okay, sometimes when I'm just sitting still and I take all my shots as quickly as I can, it does the full damage. See, it's not doing it now. I'm not entirely sure why it's doing it sometimes. See, now it's just doing it every time. This is without Hail of Blades at all, and does the full damage. Now I've got Hail of Blades again, and it does the small damage. I'm not sure what's causing it. See, now it did the full damage with Hail of Blades active. Did the half damage or lower damage. Hail of Blades is active. Half damage. Hail of Blades is active. Half damage. I'm at a loss for, like, I can't figure out why it's doing it. So you just did the full damage with Hail of Blades active. It seems to be if there's any sort of delay between your third and fourth shot, or any of your shots, I'm not even sure. It's just doing a normal auto attack. Like it seems to be doing just a normal auto attack instead of the missing health damage execute. I'm not sure, because I'm pretty sure if you take off, like, let's just get a Bloodthirster so I'm not at 100% crit. Pretty sure that was a normal auto attack for the fourth. That was a fourth shot. That was a fourth shot. So I'm not sure if it's like Hail of Blades in conjunction with 100% crit, because it seems like, yeah, see, now it's back to doing the less damage. It should be doing like over 850 damage on the last shot. See, this is without Hail of Blades, and it's doing 900 damage on the fourth shot, so seems like Hail of Blades, if you crit before the 4th shot or something, it just seems to act like the 4th shot is a regular auto attack. It's not doing missing health damage, or else it'd be doing a lot more damage than the 584 or whatever it's doing. See, that was a 4th shot. That did 1,000 damage. But obviously, you know, a Riot member is going to be a lot more informed on how to fix this or what's causing it, so hopefully someone at Riot sees this, and hell, maybe I'm making a mistake. I'm not sure what mistake I could be making, but it seems to be a bug, and if this happened in a real game where I did normal auto attack damage on a 4th attack and it doesn't kill someone because it didn't do missing health damage, I would... That's not on, honestly. Like, that could cost a game. But anyway, I think I've rambled enough about it. So yeah, hopefully someone sees this and it can be fixed, or whatever happens. But yeah, thank you for your time. See you later.